Sweet Jeebus. Oh,
Last time. They're by that same fucking dude, too. Same clothing and all. You got this, Ompa.
Hello, motherfucker.
If you lay down, you're gonna super accurate. Ah! Are you kidding me? What? I thought you were gonna be coming through that door because your little tag was over there, but it wasn't you. Oh, was that you? I thought it was you that time. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yes, he died in the right spot. Oh shit. Oh! Oh, Jared, we almost died. Oh, Jared! We almost died again. Here, keep guard of that door real quick while I grab this. Here. Okay, now back away from it.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Jared! You dumbass! Why would you run straight towards me when I'm throwing it? There's like 5 people. Oh my god. They're all gonna burn. Yeah, they all can't get in now. It's, yeah. Alright. Ah, shit. Ah! Jared behind you. Yeah. Oh, we were the last people.
Oh shit.
How did that work?